roadster that defined balance, precision, connection. Now in 2026, Honda brings back a machine built not for trends, but for drivers. The first thing you notice is the stance. The 2026 S2000 sits aggressively low, with a long sculpted hood and a compact rear deck that instantly reminds you this car is about proportions, about purpose. Sharp LED headlights pierce forward beneath a sleek aerodynamic nose. Large air intakes channel air with intention, not decoration. Every line flows with tension. Muscular rear fenders wrap tightly around wide performance tires. The body looks carved by wind itself. And when the soft top folds away, the silhouette becomes even more dramatic. A pure open-air sports car, just as it was always meant to be. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda S2000 is rumored to carry a modern turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, potentially electrified with hybrid assistance, delivering explosive yet controlled power. Instant throttle response, strong mid-range torque, and a red line that still begs to be chased, because the soul of the S2000 has always lived in its engine. Lightweight engineering remains at the core. An aluminum-intensive chassis keeps weight down and rigidity high. Perfect 50-50 weight distribution ensures balance in every corner. The steering is sharp, communicative, alive in your hands. You don't just turn the wheel, you feel the road surface, every texture, every curve. And yes, for purists, the manual transmission returns. Short throws, mechanical engagement, that satisfying click into gear. In a world dominated by paddles and screens, the S2000 brings back something raw, something human. Step inside, and the cockpit wraps around you like a tailored racing suit. The seating position is low and focused. Digital instrumentation blends seamlessly with minimalist design. A fully configurable driver display keeps your eyes exactly where they belong, forward. Premium materials elevate the experience, but nothing distracts from the mission. This cabin is built around driving. The steering wheel feels sculpted for grip, the pedals perfectly aligned. Even the sound system, crisp and immersive, fades away once the engine note takes over. And what a sound it is. Refined, aggressive, mechanical. As revs climb, the exhaust tone sharpens into a metallic crescendo. Wind rushes past in open-air freedom. The connection between driver, machine, and road becomes unfiltered. Advanced suspension geometry keeps the chassis flat through corners. Adaptive dampers adjust instantly to road conditions. Grip levels are immense, yet predictable. Push harder, and the rear responds with playful precision. Balanced, controllable, rewarding. Technology enhances, but never replaces, the driver. Honda sensing safety systems are integrated discreetly. Adaptive cruise control for highways, lane assist for longer journeys, collision mitigation systems quietly standing by. Because even a sports car should protect what matters. The 2026 S2000 was not built to drive itself. It was built to remind you why you love driving. Picture it carving through a mountain pass at sunrise, the sky painted in gold and crimson, the engine singing toward red line, the chassis flowing from corner to corner like choreography in motion. Every shift deliberate, every braking point precise, every acceleration addictive. The lightweight Roadster philosophy remains untouched. Small footprint, explosive agility, maximum feedback. And unlike oversized performance coupes chasing horsepower wars, the S2000 focuses on balance, usable power, real-world engagement, the kind of performance that thrills at legal speeds. Because true driving pleasure isn't measured only in numbers. The exterior details reinforce its heritage. Subtle S2000 badging, Aggressive rear diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and aerodynamic side vents that aren't just for show. Even the wheels are designed to reduce unsprung weight while maximizing grip. This is a car engineered with intent. And for enthusiasts who remember the original, the spirit is intact. For a new generation, the excitement is just beginning. The 2026 Honda S2000 doesn't try to dominate headlines with outrageous horsepower figures. It doesn't rely on oversized screens or artificial engine noise. Instead, it delivers something increasingly rare. A lightweight Roadster, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, perfect balance. It's a celebration of mechanical purity in a digital world. And when you press the start button, when the engine fires to life, when you slot into first gear and ease onto an open road, you realize something powerful. The 2026 Honda S2000, built for drivers, engineered for emotion, and reborn for the road ahead.